Yup, this is going to be day in live vlog, literally just us working out. Currently working on the Shopify store and just finished building the website. I'm installing some customer chat agent on there, but this is just going to be part of the Q1 grind, first day in live video. And here we slowly out of work, so just enjoy the videos and see the work life. This is the real grind though.
Yeah, bro.
I just want you to think one thing, that we are just grinding, bro. Because this phase that we're on right now, honestly, is just pure grind, bro. Nothing mad, nothing crazy. It's just something for you to see as a motivation and just get on your shit. Yeah, man. That's another clip for you guys there. So you can see Suli's screen, not my screen this time. Whatever it does there, guys, you just tell me what's going on. But nah, for real though, honestly, like, I think we are faced with this agency thing. We need to improve our outreach, like literally outreach after outreach after outreach. Our LinkedIn is looking super good, so we have a lot of potentially on there to actually reach out to these directors and things like that. So I'm currently going through a process where I'm going through like a career guide with Gemini, so I can improve my outreach messages to these people based on the automation that we already do and the products that we're about to build for this first quarter. So we're working on some cool product, man. Some AI agent that will be working for real estate agencies, like, ghost leads reviver. That's what we call it. We're basically just going to be calling like leads that have reached out to these real estate agents or estate agents, whatever that might be. So whenever they receive a new inquiry, the agent will probably send them an SMS. If the person don't reply after 24 hours, our agent will then call these people, and try to qualify them for them to book a viewing with the state agencies or valuation, things like that. So they don't have to do that manually, but the agent is reactivating this new leads or these old leads by sending SMS first. 24 hours, the agent will call them for qualify them and then try to make them book like a viewing or valuation call with the director, whatever that might be. We're working on some cool shit this first quarter, man. Like, honestly, we were not even motivated to do anything, but as we get here, we sat here. Suli was sat there, I was sat here. We put our head back down, no motivation. We pull our laptop, work on this website for a bit, finish that, implement a chatbot in there, working on that for now as well. And then, we end up getting some motivation and pull the camera there, get few clips, and now I'm talking to you guys. That's exactly what it takes, bro. Sometimes you don't even want to do shit, but you just get up, nothing, but you have one mission anyways. If you don't do that, you're gonna stay in the same cycle. Sometimes the doubts, you just don't even know if you're gonna end up selling this shit to the people that you even targeting. But it's like, you might as well just do the thing instead of feeling heavy on your own head. Honestly, there was zero motivation, but like, alhamdulillah, man's starting to have a little bit faith again, waking up again, and just work on my shit. Because the only thing that we can do right now literally is just work on this shit. Suli has been learning this make.com thing. It's just been going on for a while, but it's like sometimes there's no motivation, but the guys still keep doing the thing, and I've just been working on the same things over and over again. So honestly, it's not like literally just going to be like this until March. We're just gonna be doing more of this kind of videos, working on some cool relaxing places, so if you come across the videos, you can just lock in with us and just do your work. Put the videos aside as a motivation and work on your shit. Don't worry, if you have no motivation, just pull that laptop or that book, whatever that might be started, as you keep doing it, you might see one word or you might get to one task that will motivate you to actually continue going and do your shit. So honestly, bro, that's what we're on right now. I'm working on my LinkedIn outreaches for now and then build some automation slowly. But January, we have a lot to fucking put together. It's called foundation for us, you know. So let's get to it, man, guys. I hope that put you in your head a little bit and have a little bit faith again like we do right now. So yeah, man, that being said, we're working, man.
All I'm saying, bro, we are actually like trying to leave you guys with a motivation, bro, like a hope, like, because that's what we're doing. We're trying to, like, we can't tell you guys to do something if we're not doing it. So basically you can see what we're doing, so you can do the same thing.
Try to help you. Yeah. His setup looks clean though. Like, let's get money. He's doing the same thing, automating while he's learning. It's like this, bro. We have fucking, the charts are ready for us to just wait for however long it's gonna take. Then we took our trade. We're working on our shit here, bro. Literally, there's nothing fucking to do, you know. It's just a patient game at this point, bro. And you bring your 99 problem to our AI solution. Yo, it's cold as motherfucker, bro. But this tea is one of the one, though.
If you don't lock in with us, I don't know what to tell you, man. Just watch these videos as motivation, obviously. You get me?
Need to check all the automations that I might need for this outreach. Yeah, basically it's called Abacus. It's an AI agent that actually do works, you know what I mean? It's not like a generic agent or chatbot, things like that. It can be an agent that's working for you, like things like scraping LinkedIn's account, find the people that are in your niche, add them for you, open conversation with them, and so on. So it's called Abacus AI. I found it out yesterday because, you know, AI agents are transforming from general automation to like an actual agent, like vertical agent that can actually do works. So we're finding this tool so we can put them in there. And swear to God, there is even trading thing in there. So there is an AI agent that is AI stock investor, cryptos investor agent, and so on. So these are great ones, to be honest. This app is what I'm gonna need to learn on. So everything that I'm about to do with this new automation that we're planning, I can do majority of the work here. And Gemini, great one. That is where I'll be focusing on the most.
Yeah.
We can have a chat around our current work process. Cash flow wise, I have a good track and API to finding the right system.
Yeah. This is interesting though. Like, she's going through all this. She actually knowing the foundation. Yeah. Guys, if you just come across these videos, just go check the website and you'll know what we do.
Gemini is good one actually, you know, for you guys who don't know. I mean, there's very competition with Gemini that they do here and shit like that. But the new updates that Gemini are dropping here though, oh yeah, bro, you might wanna try them.
Guys, I never tried this one here, but this one here is giving me some energy, bro. Okay, we're gonna use, you know, this TDO chat agent for a while now. So basically what I'm trying to do here, I'm just trying to get a conversation flow for this customer chat agent and build some automation in there so it can recommend products, you know, help with the customers with the frequent asked questions and things like that. More later. Okay.